Hello, beautiful people. This is Faith Hunter, and welcome to my morning yoga and meditation practice. This is actually a personal recording. You see, I recorded myself doing my morning practice on a day that I didn't have very much time. However, I knew I needed to do something. I needed to move my body, find a place of stillness, breathe, tap into my inner energy, but also maintain a sense of steadiness and balance. So hopefully this practice will serve you, especially on those days where you don't have a lot of time. Make yourself comfortable. Cross those ankles, settle down through your hips, crown of your head lifts up. Going to bring your palms together, give them a little rub. Take a couple of deep breaths. Inhale, sweep those arms over your head. So the palms are now facing the crown of your head, elbows are bent. And I want you to just imagine your powerful energy, your healing energy, flowing from the palms of your hands through your crown, all the way down your spine and into your hips. Now your hands can remain there, or you can float those hands right in front of your face. So now you're sending that healing energy into your first eye, into your throat. And then maybe start to allow those hands to drift a little bit lower so the palms are now facing the center of your chest, your heart chakra, that place of love, compassion, forgiveness, and understanding. And then float those healing hands all the way down towards your second chakra, the place of fluidity, creativity, and sensuality. As the energy flows from the crown of your head all the way to your hips, you are feeling grounded and settled. You're starting to tap into your Kundalini energy, all of those chakras moving magically, sweetly through you. So the hands are resting now. Bring them to your shins. Let's move into a little spinal flexion. Inhale, chest forward. Exhale, round the back. Eyes opened or closed, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Keep the hips grounded into the earth. Lift the chin up if it feels good for your throat, your neck. And when you're ready, sweep those arms overhead now. Interlace your fingers, move your side body from right to left, and lower the right hand outside your right hip. The left arm is reaching up and over your head. Hips remain grounded into the earth. Breathe deep. And then swim that left arm all the way over to the outside of your left hip. Right arm overhead. Breathe deeply. In and out of your nose. Chest is open. Shoulders are relaxed. Go on and come out of your posture. Come into a neutral space. Swing those legs out in front of you. Knees are bent. Soles of the feet are on the mat. And you just simply start to windshield wiper the feet back and forth. The knees back and forth. The hips back and forth. The hands can rest behind you. Just finding a little release and tension through the hips, the groins, the joints. Move them gently. And then swing the legs out in front of you, setting up for a forward fold. The feet are about mat distance apart. You breathe in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Now the hands can rest on your shins. You can hold onto the ankles, the feet. As the heart extends out, feel free to give yourself a little foot massage, ankle massage, shin massage, whatever feels right for you. I always like a little squeeze around the arches, balls of my feet. Inhale, lift the body. Maybe roll those ankles around, gently rotating, flex or point the feet if that feels yummy and delicious. And then go on and send those legs behind you. Come onto all fours. Getting into a little cat and cow here. Drop the belly. Inhale, lifting the chest. Exhale, rounding the back. So as you move in and out of your cat and cow, inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, round. Find a pace and rhythm that's going to work for you. Now, I'm moving a little more vigorously because I'm really trying to create some heat, but know that you can move slowly. Breathing in to lift your heart. Exhale, round the back. Bring your hips to meet your heels. Come into child's pose. Release the arms out in front of you. And as your first eye kisses the earth, Set your intention for your practice, your day. And then lift back onto all fours. Let's do a little leg kick. Inhale, lift that left leg up behind you. Exhale, bring your knee to your nose. Again, you can do these slow or find a little more vigorous movement. Inhale, lift, exhale, round. Making sure you spread the fingers wide and then extend that left leg behind you, point the toes and pump, 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 getting into your glute a little bit. Then lower the ball of your left foot outside your right side of your mat, getting a little side body stretch. Go on and slide that left leg forward right between your hands, moving into our low lunge. Cushion that back knee if you need to. Watch out, don't tip over. Keep the pelvis coming forward, your chest lifting. Release those arms alongside your body so you also get into the shoulders a bit. And know that you can also interlace your fingers behind your back or grab hold of a strap or towel. Release your hands outside your left leg. Start to straighten your left leg, drawing the hips back. The right knee remains on the mat. And we simply breathe here. Begin to bend that front knee, curl the back toes under, step your left foot to meet your right. You're in down dog. Inhale out into plank pose, shoulders come over your wrist. Heels extend behind you, crown of the head forward. Bend the elbows by your rib cages, the knees, belly, and chest lower. And then inhale, lift your chest up for cobra pose. Stay here in cobra pose or take a few twists here in cobra. And then exhale. Come back onto all fours. And let's do that leg kick on the other side. Right leg up, exhale, round. Inhale, lift, exhale, round, knee to nose. Find the movement and flow that's working for you. And then take that right leg, point the toes back, and pump, pump, pump. Keep your chest moving forward, draw the navel in towards your spine. Flex that right foot, lower the right foot behind you and over to the left side of your mat, getting in a nice little side body stretch. Breathe deep. Release your foot from the floor. Hug that knee in, step it all the way to the top of your mat. Give it a tug if you need to. Lift your chest for that low lunge, opening the heart, keeping the chin slightly parallel to the floor. As you get that stretch in your quad and your groin here, know that you can take the hands behind you and interlace your fingers. Slowly release the hands outside your foot. Start to straighten your right leg. Toes are pointing up towards the ceiling. Left knee remains on the mat as you get into that hamstring, the calf muscle. Maybe even feeling a little bit of it in the Achilles. Spine is long. Know that you can also place some blocks or books under your hands if you need to for a little elevation. Or hands right there on the mat. Inhale, lift the chest. Bend your front knee. Curl the back toes. And then step your right foot to meet your left. Once again, finding that down dog, and know you can remain in stillness, heels pressing towards the earth, or alternating right and left. Drifting out into your plank pose, finding stillness here, just working our core a little bit. Reaching through your heels, chest forward. Breathe as the triceps hug in. And then exhale, lower your knees, belly and chest to the mat. Press into your palms, lift your heart, draw the navel in, shoulders relax, cobra pose. Tops of the feet and thighs are still on the mat. Taking that twist if you like. Bring your body back to neutral, breathing in, and then exhale. Returning to your child's pose. Hips meet your heels. First eye kisses the earth, and the heart melts. Relaxing your arms and breathe. Begin to lift your upper body. Unravel Unravel your legs. If you have a blanket, you can fold it up or maybe reach over and grab your meditation seat. We're going to have a seat on our bum. So go on and swing those legs out in front of you. I guess you get settled. Shake the legs, rotate those ankles, get comfortable because we're going to cross the legs once again. Knees are bent. Roll those shoulders and then exhale. Take a gentle twist to your left side. As you exhale into this posture, that left hand drops behind you and you breathe deeply in and out of your nose in your twist. Shoulders soften, chin is parallel to the earth. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist over to the other side. Long, deep breaths here. Bring your body back to neutral. Rub your palms together. Rest the back of your right hand on your leg. Bring your index and middle finger together. And then on your left hand, I want you to drop your index and middle finger to your palm. Place your left thumb over your left nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Close off your right nostril with your ring finger and then exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Close it off. Exhale through the right. We're doing alternate nostril breathing. So you're slowly breathing in through the right nostril, closing it off, exhaling out of the left, in through the left nostril, close it off, exhale out of your right. Keep doing that a few more times, just breathing in through one nostril, closing it off, exhaling through the opposite, moving back and forth. The eyes can be closed or gaze at a point in front of you. And so this alternate nostril breathing is perfect practice for finding a sense of balance and steadiness through the right and left hemispheres of the brain. But since we inhaled and hopefully you exhaled through your right nostril, at the end, we're still maintaining that sense of elevation. The right side is the sun side of the body. Active energy. As we sit in stillness, the hands are resting on your legs. The breath is steady and smooth. Feeling grounded, feeling rooted. Feeling that sense of equilibrium move through every inch of your body, mind, and soul. As you take these last few breaths and seconds, set your personal intention for your day. Know that you can remain here for as long as you like. Sealing in that connection to yourself. Breathing into your purpose for the day. If you are ready to come out, I want you to place your right hand over your heart, your left hand over your belly, and simply breathe in and out, thanking yourself for showing up fully and completely, honoring your body, your mind, and your soul. Much love and gratitude for joining me on my personal practice today. Thank you so much. Ashe, ashe. Have a wonderful, beautiful morning, afternoon, and evening. As you rise, shake everything out. Maybe even do a little dance party afterwards if you need to. And I'm just going to walk over. Give some love and gratitude to my pup, Sebastian. Thank you, thank you. Love you, baby. Maybe grab your loved ones, say thank you to them, and move through your day filled with love, openness, and purpose. Ciao.